But yeah, so just the sheer amount of work.
Stop this thing?
Okay, stop.
It's like you're rolling right towards the door.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, I would. There's some content for it.
Try it. Seriously. I mean, we'd be fucking done. Yeah, we're pretty much. I mean, I'm ready.
Look at that nice bumper.
There's some scratches on there.
That nice.
I'm so happy with your stupid sway bar links. I'm so happy with
Dude, they are like literally. No, those sway bars are like mint.
They work good too. What was on it?
Maybe we can try it. If you want to struggle, we can struggle together, Preston, if you'd like.
It's very, very nice going in there.
Okay. Well, let's put the switcher on then.
Damn it again. Is that on video?
So look where that bar goes through, Preston. You can mount a light pod right in there, right behind your mesh. And then you can point it at the ground so you can actually frickin' see.
No kidding.
Just really like from this angle, it just shows you like how big this truck really is.
I know.
Like,
Squeeze it this way because of the metal. Spray paint on. Oh, it's gonna break! Heads up!
Oh!
Just kidding.
Oh! A Ford!
Oh my gosh! That was about the gayest thing I've ever seen.
he literally got that comment on freaking line. Why are the link bars not centered?
The drive shaft's not centered.
Because it's not.
The link bars are.
Link bars are centered. Drive shaft's not centered.
People are stupid.
I don't get it.
People that know, if you know, you know.
You know, you know.
If you know, you know.
Yeah.
Can't do chin ups.
Do your chin up.
Judge after I'm done.
Right.
Wanna come judge?
That button will go right.
I like the way that it looks now. Looks good. Dude, even look at your sway bar. It even matches with like the bumper coming down.
That's
It's literally
insane.
directly
It's literally-
in line with it.
Mm-hmm.
The sway bar that goes back, the arms. I just noticed that.
It'll look perfect when it's done. Not now though.
You know, the truck looks amazing for being 50 shades of red.
50 shades of everything.
Yeah.
Orange, red, dark red,
Blue.
orange,
Why are you judging? Don't judge.
rust.
Medium. Rust.
Wait till it's
Dude, do not pull a wrap off the orange truck. It's all primer in like 5 different colors. Are you going to finally punch your fender, bro?
I'm gonna try to bring myself to doing it.
What, he forgot his truck keys?
Yeah, but he put him back where he's supposed to. Well, asshole didn't. Hey, you didn't put him back. Where'd you put him?
He lost the keys.
That was my other keys.
They were?
Yeah.
Did you find him?
Nope.
What's the license plate for, bro?
I don't know. Apparently I was carrying it around and just put it down somewhere.
He gets too much shit going on.
It's a little cold out. Had to grab the sweatshirt. This is your idea of a roller?
That's what's rolling this
It's a rolling chassis.
Where were they at?
Hanging in the ignition.
Oh my gosh. Oh my lord.
Last 10 minutes were spent looking for keys that were in the ignition.
Where did he find him?
In the
In ignition.
No.
Oh, don't throw it, don't throw it, don't throw it.
The truck, man.
Looks better. What the hell? Oh, look at this. How the fuck?
Yeah, that's the best way to go.
I made it.
Dude, that's hard for freaking.
Oh, dude, there's a car back there. Dude, you literally can't see it. Oh my gosh.
There's an antenna.
I moved your truck the other day trying to back this thing up. Dude, you can't see shit.
Like,
Tiny ass mirror, bro.
Pull right in the shop.
wait, am I supposed to pull on there?
No. No, you're not. Probably wouldn't fit. In case it starts raining.
Oh my goodness. Hop out of there, Preston. Woo!
Passenger side, no handles, nothing. There's nothing.
2148.
Alright. Thank you, sir. No problem.
Careful with that.
Very good.
Thank you.
They're fun. You like the bumper out?
Yes, actually. I found that. I was like, oh man.
Who's fab and all this stuff? That's all that is like. Yeah, so I do all the build, get all the body placed. Yeah. Who's your Oh,
Hop
boy.
in there,
Yeah,
big boy.
I figured out how to get in your truck. I figured it out.
Wait, how?
Okay, I can reach you. Yeah. I can actually grab the edge of your seat down here. I can reach the actual bracket. Yeah.
this is my first time in 2 years putting diesel in this thing. Let's get raped.
Bro, I'm starving. Like, I should just go to Taco Bell.
That right there.
I know.
Just run over there real quick.
I don't want to miss all the action though.
Oh, I'm putting $100 in that thing?
Yeah.
Hopefully $100.
I got me Taco Bell. Dun, 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 dun.
Dude, I need someone to get me more money now.
Here we go, boys.
There he is.
Smile away, boys.
Smile away, boys.
We're good. We're Gucci. We good.
Dude, I don't think he cares.
You know, 3 meals.
Played it pretty hard.
Sweatshirt.
Way to go, you douchebag.
Oh my glove. Get these parts shipped out.
Time to head home. Time to
SEMA trucks to take care of.
see my trucks. I'm gonna take my Taco Bell.
Early day today, boys.
Early day. Dude, if you lose your keys again, I'm gonna beat you. Okay.
I will see you gentlemen later.
Later.
Later, maybe, if I
Find
find my keys.
Preston, why the fuck do you lose your keys all the time, bro?
I have like 2 pairs of keys with me right now. Not cool. Not cool.
All right, bud.
All right.
I'll see you later.
See ya. Pound it.
That's
All right. Have a good one,
All
man.
right. Holy cow, it is raining. Raining real good. Oh, man. Well, it is the following day, and, well, dog is barking. Plan on going to Orange Beach. Now, next weekend, and I need something to take because the black truck back there, of course, is well, doesn't have certain gears anymore because, you know, I like to beat on things. So we're gonna take the orange truck. It needs a lot of TLC, like a lot. Maybe not too much, but it needs some TLC today, and it's raining, and this would be the only weekend I can do it before, you know, we gotta leave next weekend. So we're gonna check the wheel bearings, ball joints, do an oil change and all that stuff, and put the KG1s on it. But we were at Nick's yesterday, weren't we, bud? Well, you weren't, but I was. We seen Preston and Nick and just goofed off. I wasn't even planning on filming yesterday, but I did, didn't I? You don't know anything, bro. But we got to also air up the tire because I got a slow leak, and I just kind of let it go last night. So, good stuff. Cat got locked in here. So, pretty much, this thing has been sitting for a minute. I did drive it. It does not have like overdrive. I'm pretty sure the thrust bearings are out on the transmission, and yeah, so I did drive it, and the transmission housing's cracked, but and it leaks, and the fluid's all burnt, and there's nothing but metal in the pan. So this is not a feasible option to drive all the way to Alabama, but these wheels and tires are like brand new, almost. They'd probably look cool as hell on the orange truck, just for Alabama. Don't want to ride on these like all summer and drive to work on those. So, but we're gonna take those off, put them on the orange truck, because the orange truck looks hella good on 24x14s. And then after that, you know, we'll take them back off, put them back on this thing. But the homie showed up. Look at this guy. Look at this dude. Look at that dude. Look at that dude over there.
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
Taking your wheels off?
Working in the fucking rain.
Hey, long time no see.
Okay.
Hey, they're working in the shop today, so.
Pitter patter, let's get at her. Old boy over here is gonna start the old second gen swap. Okay, well, you gonna grab this burnout tire? Once we get this thing to the shop, the other shop, we're going to take the tire off and then look at everything that needs to be like addressed before we go to Alabama, and then go get all my parts today, and then after that we'll go install them, and of course take the tire to the tire shop, and then there you go. And then I'm gonna put the KG1s on probably like Thursday, and then Friday right after work, Bama, here we go. So sauce. All the sauce.
What do you want?
All right, so I need to do ball joints now. So upper and lower ball joints and wheel bearings. What is he?
You guys pay attention? We're doing a video.
Let's go get parts. Let's go get a plug for this piece of shit.
I gotta clean that pig out.
And you clean your pig out. Me and Carson will go get shit.
I wouldn't put it past him.
All right. So we got most of the stuff. And there's gonna be no wheel bearing at 3 o'clock. Let's go back to the shop. Honk the horn and just drive right on in. That's the service I like. Would you agree, bud?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this goon. Oh, he's listening to his music too. Joey must have left. Look at that. All his fancy stuff.
All the fancy stuff.
All the fancy stuff. All right, let's get to work, boys. Right, Carson? Gotta get a new ball joint because it's completely wrong. Just chewing on food. Just chewing on food.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yep. So we're gonna drive the old 715 horsepower work truck home. Not mine, it's my brother's. My little brother's. Oh, it got dark. Okay, it's day 2 of the of the ball joint wheel bearing project. The sister had to take me, but gotta get some Casey's first. Small town problems. A Red Bull a day keeps the doctor away. All right, I'm in. Here we go. So what we're gonna do is obviously finish that up, and then probably once I finish this up, tighten things up, do an oil change. After I do all that, we're going to probably edit this video, but it needs to get done. Because 14-hour trip to Alabama without having this stuff done, it's gonna be a little sketch. So, especially on 14 wides and 2-inch spacers / adapters, because they're 8x170. So, woohoo! All right, everything's done. We'll back this thing out. It's super dark in here. Can't see anything. The front end already feels tighter. That's a good thing. Don't pay attention to the back windshield. The back window needs wash. This whole thing, this whole truck needs some washing. But well, ball joints, wheel bearings done. Took me a little bit because I was filming some of it, and then since I'm working on my own time, I like to take my time and just, you know, work through it. But got some stuff in the back I gotta get rid of. It's going in the scrap, and then we're gonna head out of here. We're gonna put the KG1s on her Thursday, probably Thursday night, and then drive on Friday, because right after work on Friday, we're heading to Bama. So it's probably gonna conclude this video. I'll go home and edit it, maybe get it up this week right before we go to Alabama. So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and get ready for more content, because I'm gonna try to push out more content, maybe like once a week or so. So Let's go.